Hey everyone, welcome back to a 40k journey. So, in the last episode, I did the scroll work on my man Kai here, but I wasn't really happy with the way the lettering turned out. So, I've got my .003 Micron and a very meowy cat. Please excuse me, I'll be right back. What's the matter, buddy? Okay, sorry about that. My cat Yuki has been taken care of. I have some scrap paper here, just a receipt, and I kind of measured it out, and that's about how much space I have on the scroll to fit the name. So I'm going to start doing just a little bit of practice first. And I got to remember not to go too far to the left, because that was the problem last time, is that I was too far to the left and I had a bigger gap over on the right than I did on the left. But let's see what we can do. Okay, not ideal. Think I still need some practice, but it's better than it was last time. So for today, we're going to call that good. Thanks for revisiting episode 4 with me. Hope you're having a great day wherever and whenever you are. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and please consider supporting the channel on Patreon.